Hello and welcome to the weekly technical analysis video here at xm.com. It is Monday, September the 17th. I'm Andreas, your EU investment analyst, and together we're going to be taking a look at the technical picture for Euro Pound, Gold, and the Germany 30 index, all on the daily charts. So starting with EURGBP, we can see that it considerably declined after touching 0.9098 in late August. This is the pair's highest since September of 2017. In particular, it is trading around 200 pips below that peak. The Tenkan and Kijun-sen lines are negatively aligned, though they have both flatlined, overall projecting a neutral picture for the pair in the short term. This is also supported by the RSI, which is largely moving sideways. Additional declines for the pair may meet support around the current level of the 100-day moving average line at 0.8859. Notice that Tuesday's two-week low of 0.8874, as well as the Ichimoku cloud bottom at 0.8873 are also part of the area around this level. Further below, additional support may occur around the 0.88 round figure, which may carry psychological significance. On the way up, resistance may come around the 50-day MA at 0.8933. This is where the Ichimoku cloud top also lies, while not far above. An additional barrier may come around the current levels of the Tenkan and Kijun-sen lines at 0.8963 and 0.8986. The area around this encapsulates a couple of peaks from previous months, as we can see, as well as the 0.90 round figure. Further above, the previously mentioned high of 0.9098 will increasingly come into scope. Or rather, I should say, turning to the medium-term picture, trading taking place inside the Ichimoku cloud suggests a neutral medium-term outlook for the pair. Continuing with gold, it's been trading within a relatively narrow range between 1,187.58 and 1,214.15 from late August onwards. The RSI is hovering around the 50 level, projecting a neutral picture in the near term. Gains may meet resistance around the 1,200 handle and further above from the zone around the current level of the 50-day moving average of 1,209.58. The area around this, as we can see, captures a couple of peaks from previous weeks, while further above the 100-day MA at 1,248.50 would increasingly come into view. On the way down, support may come around the 3.5-week low of 1,187.58 hit last week, while steeper losses would bring, or rather I should say, would start bringing into focus the lowest since January 2017 of 1,160.03 hit during August. The medium-term picture is looking mostly negative, with both the 50 and 100-day moving averages heading lower. Notice though that gold posted a higher low on Tuesday last week, in contrast to the downtrend condition of lower highs and lower lows that was previously in place. This could be an early sign of a changing medium-term structure. And lastly, turning to the Germany 30 index, it is looking bearish. In the short term, the Tenkan and Kijun-sen lines are negatively aligned and they are both heading lower. Further losses may meet support around the current level of the Tenkan-sen at 12,045.85, while further below the September 11 5.5-month low of 11,861.50 may also provide support. Lower still, the lowest since February 2017 hit in early 2018 of 11,691.60 would increasingly come into scope. On the way up, resistance may come around the current level of the Kijun-sen at 12,229.65 and further above from the 50-day moving average at 12,437.77. The medium-term picture is looking bearish, with trading activity taking place below both the 50 and 100-day MA lines as well as below the Ichimoku cloud. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.